So guys, that's, do not disturb me now. Hey guys, it's me Shahnaz and welcome back to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be very different from my usual videos. Today I'm going to do a haul video. I'm going to show you guys all the new makeup products that I got, plus I'm also going to give you guys my review of those products. Some of the products I have used before and some I have not used at all. So yeah, it's going to be a fun video. I hope you guys will like it and do watch it till the end, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. I think without much blabbering, let's get started. Okay guys, let's start now, and I have tied my hair up in a bun situation, as you can see, because I don't want my hair to come in between me and my makeup, like my face and my makeup. I hope you get the point. So the first product is going to be the luxury product from a luxury brand, which is MAC Cosmetics, but look at the size. I got this one for free, and that's why the size. I mean, by the way, I got this free while I bought myself a MAC eyeliner, which I'll show you guys show at the end of the video, because eyeliner abhi nahi laga sakte, so I don't want to waste time talking about it. But yeah, this is the MAC's Fix Plus Prep Plus Prime Primer or setting spray, whatever. Okay. Wow, this smells so good. I kind of like how dewy it looks, you know, and the smell is very good. Usually the setting sprays that I have used till now, they smell kind of weird, but this one smells good. I think it's pretty much done, and let me give you guys a close up of how my face looks after this. You can see it looks very dewy and glowy, which is good. Okay, primer is done, and I kind of like it. I think it's good for dry skin people. I have heard people saying that it's good for dry skin people, and I can feel that. Like, I have dry skin and it's kind of hydrating, so thumbs up. Anyways, next product is a color corrector, which is the Nykaa Insta Blur Color Corrector Stick, which is in the shade Peach. Now this color corrector is kind of okay-ish. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Does the job, and yeah, it's okay. It's like not the best, the worst. It's in between, okay-ish. Out of 5, I would give this one a 3.5 or something, because it does the job, but it's not like the best color corrector. And if you ask me if I'm going to repurchase this one, then I would totally say no. I would better go for a better one, because I feel this is kind of very sticky, but I was expecting a lot from it, and I think the color is like not so good. I mean, yeah, it doesn't completely hide my dark circles. Okay, so the next product is going to be a concealer. Now this is the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. This is actually a repurchase. I have used this one before and I have talked about it in most of my videos. This concealer is like my favorite concealer. Like, it works for me. So yeah, this is my go-to concealer. I'm just going to use this on my under eyes and little bit on my mouth area, because I have pigmentation there. I have used Maybelline concealers and I didn't like them much. I don't like concealers. I've used the Swiss Beauty one also. I don't like them much, but this one, it really works for an everyday basis. This is how my skin looks after the color corrector and the concealer. And as you can see, it is still glowing because of the setting spray, which I absolutely love. Okay, now the next product is a compact. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact, which is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And this compact has become my favorite compact, let me tell you guys, because first of all, the shade is totally mine. As you can see, it looks a little darker here, but it's not. I think it fits me totally. Let me swatch it on my face and show you guys. You can see it is completely my shade, and I have never got a foundation which is of completely my shade, so I am kind of very happy with this purchase, and it's a very good compact with a very good coverage, and it's very good for a day-to-day basis. Now as you can see, I have not used the compact on my cheeks because my cheeks are glowing and I want to keep it that way. I just use it under my eyes to set my concealer, and on my mouth area again to set my concealer, and on my forehead to even out, and also a little bit on my jawline. Okay, so I have also not used it on top of my eyelid. I have not used any concealer on top of my eyelid also. That's because our next product is a eyelid primer. Yeah, I almost forgot. So the next product is this e.l.f. Cosmetics Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer, which is in the shade Sheer. I think this is the only shade, there is no other shade. And as you can see, I have not yet opened the packaging of this product, and I'm super excited to use this for the first time today. So let's open the packaging. Okay. Wow, so good in opening packaging. You see, come out. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow primer, eyelid primer looks like. I have never used an eyelid or eyeshadow primer, and e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeshadow primer was kind of very affordable. I think I got this one for either 450 or 250. I don't exactly remember because it's been almost a month that it's been sitting there on my vanity and I have not used it. Okay, I have zoomed you guys in so that you can see, have a better view of how the primer works. Anyways, it is not like a concealer, to be honest. It is sheer than a concealer. I think it will work best if I apply my eyeshadow. So the next product is the star product of this whole video, which is my first luxury product, and that I got from my own money. Oh god, I'm bragging so much. But this is my first Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. Drum rolls please. And I am super excited. I was jumping when I got this eyeshadow palette, when I received this, and I was so happy. I can't tell you guys right now. You can't see it because this is not the first reaction that I got, but still I was super happy when I got this. So I got this very cute pastels from the Pastels edition. This is the lilac one. I just can't stop admiring it. I mean, it's so cute, it's so beautiful, it's so luxurious. By the way, this one was for 2,400 rupees, but guess what? Your girl got it for just 1,000 rupees on sale. Yeah, that's what I love about Pink Friday sale. No, Hot Pink sale, yeah. So this is the palette. I know I have blabbered a lot, but this is how it looks. For the price I have paid, I'm very happy that I got a Huda Beauty palette, and it's so, you know, big. It's not tiny at least. Okay, so you guys are zoomed in, and I'm going to use this shade from the palette on my crease, okay, outer crease, and I'm using this blending brush. Oh, this primer is so good. I thought it would have, you know, create crease lines, but it didn't. I am next going to use this lilac shade and build it up and kind of try to mix it with the crease color. And as you can see, I think this color is pretty good to be used as a crease color. It's very, the shade is very light for your crease, and I mean, which is good, and you can build it up, and yeah, it's very blendable. And also talking about the primer, I think it's very good. It works very nice, and I'm super happy that I invested in that primer. It really helps in doing your makeup, you know, like your eyeshadow. It didn't crease at all. One thing I would like to say that the eyeshadow palette do have fallout, okay? Next, I'm going to use this shimmery shade. I wanted to use this one, but I think I'll go for this one because this will look better. We'll use this one some other day, so I'm going for this one. And I'll just put it all over my, you know, lid like this. Okay, so this is how the eye makeup looks like. I hope you guys can see, like, it's not super pigmented, I'll be honest. It's not like very super pigmented. Maybe because the colors are very light and pastels. So I would definitely give this a thumbs up because as you can see, I'm already obsessed with Huda Beauty, and I'm already obsessed with the eyeshadow palette. So I like it, yaar. Even though it's not super pigmented, but I like the pigmentation that it's giving. So, thumbs up. Okay, next I'm going to use this MAC eyeliner or kajal, whatever you want to say. This one was for 675 rupees and I have used this before, and let me tell you, this is really good. It's smudge proof and it doesn't smudges at all. So I really love this one. It's very good for an everyday use, but the only drawback and the only reason I'm not going to buy this one is because it needs a sharpener and I hate it. It's very messy. As you can see, I've already messed it up while trying to sharpen it. So that's the only reason that I don't like about this. Otherwise, the application, the smudge thing, everything is very, very good. I wish it was not a sharpening kajal and it was like a those roll-on kind of a kajal. It would have been better. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I've done my eyebrows and my lipstick and I'm going to spray this on now. This is the last product of this haul or review situation that's going on. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Matte Magic Mist and Set. So I'm going to use this all over my face now. Yeah, oh my god, okay. And I'm just going to let it dry for some time and try to pat it with my beauty blender. So guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this is the final look. I really hope you guys like it. I totally love it, and I also like the setting spray that I've used, which I forgot to give the review. It is a good setting spray. It is a matte setting spray, so you can definitely give this one a try. It is cheap, and if I have to choose one product that I do not recommend to you from this whole haul, then it would be this Nykaa color corrector. I think there are better color correctors in the market, so I am not going to repurchase this one. So that's that. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Okay guys, I'm really sorry I have to end this video like this because my camera memory is full and मैं अपना laptop यहाँ पे लेके नहीं आई. So I really don't have anywhere to store my to transfer all the videos that I shot. So memory card मेरे पास एक ही था camera का. So that's that. I'm really sorry I have to end this video like this with the mobile phone thing. Also, if you guys like this video, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. As you can see, your girl is trying to be consistent here, so please support her by subscribing to her channel, I mean my channel. And also comment down below any video ideas that you have or any video that you guys want to see from me. I will definitely try to make it for you guys. And yeah, that's it. Also follow me on my Instagram for more updates, and I'll see you guys next time with a new video and a new content. Bye bye.